whether you're Oromo, whether you're Amhara, I think people need to come together. That only if we divide, only if Ethiopian people, any country I would say, only if we divide, that president can be in rule.
Yeah, exactly.
That president can rule us. Basically.
Exactly. You see, what Abiy Ahmed wants is that Abiy Ahmed wants to rule Ethiopia for the next 20, 30 years.
As long as he's
alive.
Be there.
Yeah. So the way he does that is he create conflict in these regions, in Oromia region. He doesn't want conflict to end in Oromia region with the Oromo Liberation Army. He wants that conflict to continue because that's the only way he's going to stay in power. Do you get what I'm saying? And he there is so much conflict in the country, like in Oromia region, Amhara region, Tigray region. Do you get what I'm saying? So Abiy Ahmed his strategy is to continue this conflict with these people so he can stay in power for the longest. Do you get me? And that's his strategy, but it's the most craziest things.
The most ridiculous, and it will not work.
It won't. It's crazy.
It would work
Yeah.
When our people, especially Amhara people and Oromo people, where we are so hateful towards each other for no reason.
Yeah.
For no reason, literally, we hate each other.
Yeah.
If you see someone, that's Amhara, that's that.
Yeah.
We hate each other for no reason.
Yeah.
If we came together, like we actually have a dialogue
Yeah.
with people,
Yeah.
especially our new generation.
Yeah.
We cannot be like before. We have been misguided somewhere along when
Yeah.
we protested, when we're doing this, when we're doing that.
Yeah.
It was all brainwashing stuff. That's when I went back
Yeah.
and actually seen it from a sideline.
Yeah.
That's when I realized all this is a game.